I'm Tim Neubauer, and this is your safety moment. We're up to the fourth in our series on Safety Data Sheet Explained. Section 4, which is a mandatory section of the Safety Data Sheet according to OSHA 29 CFR 1910-1200 Appendix D. In this section, first aid measures are discussed. Other than how to protect yourself from exposure to a substance, this is one of the most important sections to educate exposed employees on. Everyone needs to know how to render aid to either stop the process from continuing to do harm, reverse the process, or render aid to yourself or a coworker. Section 4 has 3 lines that we're going to discuss. The first of them is description of the necessary measures, subdivided according to the different routes of exposure, such as inhalation, skin, and eye contact, and ingestion. The standard calls for a description of how a substance enters your body either through your skin, eyes, inhalation, or ingestion. This allows exposed workers to prepare a defense. Options could include personal hygiene, PPE such as glasses or gloves, or engineering controls such as ventilation. The next line, most important symptoms, effects, acute and delayed. If workers know what the symptoms of exposure are, they have the necessary information to take action sooner after exposure. When Exceed Safety is conducting safety training on safety data sheets, this is the main point of the course. What can happen if the exposed employee does nothing? Could it be an acute response such as a rash or a chronic response such as cancer? This is an impactful topic within the SDS to teach each worker about. The next line in the SDS, indication of immediate medical attention and special treatment needs if necessary. In this final line of the section, it discusses how to treat exposure. To be blunt, if I got it on me, how do I get it off? Without knowing, flushing with water may cause a worse reaction. Do you induce vomiting or not? Should we call a doctor immediately? Without knowing this section exists, or what it says, critical time could be lost in treating exposures to certain chemicals. Call Exceed Safety for more information or to schedule your HAZCOM training class today. Exceed Safety and Tim Neubauer are restricted by non-compete in some geographic areas and clients until May 4th of 2023. Please call for more information. I'm Tim Neubauer, and this has been your safety moment.
Exceed Safety, the consulting you need. Exceed Safety, expectations exceeded. So call 919-728-SAFE.